Welcome to your daily meditation moment, where you connect with inner wisdom to manifest financial prosperity in your life. We need to seek wisdom to differentiate between the things we can change and the things we cannot. We must just accept. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Begin by tuning into your breath. Inhale the fresh morning air, and exhale any tension or worry you may be carrying. Now, imagine that the wisdom of the universe flows through you. You are a vessel of knowledge and understanding. Feel this wisdom spreading throughout your entire being, illuminating every cell of your body. Remember that true financial prosperity is not just about accumulating material wealth, but also about cultivating a healthy relationship with money and abundance. Visualize yourself making wise and conscious financial decisions. Imagine investing in your personal growth, educating yourself financially, and taking steps to build a solid financial foundation. Know that financial prosperity is not something that happens overnight but is the result of consistent effort, patience, and wisdom. As you cultivate inner wisdom, financial prosperity will naturally flow into your life. Believe in your ability to attract the abundance you deserve. Now, slowly open your eyes. Remember that financial prosperity is within your reach, and wisdom is the key to unlocking it. If you enjoyed this meditation and want to continue your journey towards wealth and prosperity, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity. Click the link in the description below for more inspiring and practical content. Together, we will achieve a brighter financial future. Peace and prosperity.